The Aspire program is an FAA workforce development granted program, which means we're getting money from the FAA to train the next generation of drone pilots. They've identified a huge need for pilots that can fly small aerospace systems like this to address a huge number of industries, a lot of which are very important to Louisiana. So things like industrial facilities being monitored, inspecting for the condition of the plants, agricultural systems, increasingly farmers are using these to monitor crop health. My colleague Marcella Cohen in Oceanography and Coastal Sciences College has a lot of experience using systems like this one to study mangrove health. We are recruiting high school educators from around the state to participate in the 10-day training program with the intent that they will go back to their host institutions, their high schools or their districts, and we will provide them the curriculum and the resources they need to develop 20 of their students towards becoming FAA certified drone pilots themselves. A key goal of the Aspire program and the FAA Workforce Development Initiative is to provide students with the opportunities to become drone pilots. Starting at age 16, actually, you can get a job, a well-paying job, and earn money, and you can build off of your skills there and potentially go on and get something like a recreational pilot's license and pilot your own aircraft. So we really see it as kind of a gateway program, and the FAA has provided us with the support to involve a diverse group of students from around the state of Louisiana.